Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel AutoDS subscription. So if you want to cancel or pause your account, it's really easy. First of all, make sure that you are logged in into your AutoDS account. Now then you have to go to settings, right? As you can see here, once you go to the settings, make sure you go to the account and billing section. And once you're in the account and billing section, here you will see the subscription you have taken. To cancel it, in the left bottom side, you will see an option manage cancel account. Now go and click on it. Once you go and click on it, you will get this option that are you sure you want to pause your account? They will ask you for the confirmation and go and click on pause account, or here you will get this option of cancel subscription. Now click on cancel subscription, right? And automatically here you will get option your account has been paused or your account or subscription has been paused, right? And or your subscription has been cancelled. So this is just something which you will see in the screen. You can do it instantly. It's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.